Protecting the front of your Bronco is important. The stubby front bumper from Fab 4s gives you protection and looks tough as well. The stubby front bumper is a great option for your Bronco, and it has tons of features that will help you on the trail. This bumper comes winch ready for the Warn Xeon 12 or lower, so you can get unstuck and back on the trail. The integrated D-rings are a great addition, and it gives you an extra mounting point when needing to pull another truck or Jeep out of the ditch as well. The stubby bumper does not work with OE sensors, and for this reason you have much better wheel and tire clearance. And bigger wheels and tires are better for the trail, and they look good too. Traveling in the night is no trouble with this bumper. With mounting options for up to 6 3x3 LED light pods or 2 LED light pods and 4 5.5-inch round lights, this gives you the option of customizing your lighting on the bumper and still lighting up the night. The bumper looks tough, and it is tough. It is made from 3/16-inch US steel for maximum protection and better defense against hazards. And like other Fab 4 products, the Stubby has a 2-stage black powder coat finish to protect against weather, rust, and corrosion. The Stubby front bumper is available in no guard and pre-runner guard options to give you the choice of style. Installation is fairly straightforward. It mounts to existing OE locations with factory hardware, but you may want to get a buddy to help you because it's heavy duty. If you're interested in the stubby front bumper from Fab 4s or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.